Have you ever paused to wonder what really makes your computer tick? It's not just the hardware or the flashy apps, it's the operating system, OS, the invisible powerhouse running the show. From the moment you press the power button, the OS leaps into action, performing a symphony of tasks that keep your digital world seamless. It starts with process management, handling multiple applications at once, making sure they run smoothly without freezing or crashing. Then comes memory management, where the OS smartly allocates and frees up RAM, allowing your device to multitask without a hiccup. It also takes care of file management, organizing, retrieving, and securing your data across various storage systems. Meanwhile, device management ensures your keyboard, mouse, USB drives, and printers are all connected and functioning as expected. And let's not forget security and user interface management, protecting your data, managing user access, and delivering an interface that's intuitive and user-friendly. Without these 5 key functions, your computer would be pure chaos. In this video, we break down each of these core responsibilities in a simple, beginner-friendly way. So if you've ever been curious about what's really happening under the hood of your computer, stick around. This will change the way you see technology. For a full blog post, visit https explore today blog 2025 0519 5 key functions of an operating system, memory file process management. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights made simple.